Picture this, February 24th, 1942, Los Angeles, California. The city is plunged into total blackout. Over 1,400 anti-aircraft shells light up the sky. An attack by Imperial Japan? That's what they thought, but it's not the case. The Great Los Angeles Air Raid, also known as the Battle of Los Angeles, was actually a false alarm triggered by a meteorological balloon. Yes, a balloon. A period of heightened fear and paranoia following the attack on Pearl Harbor led to this dramatic response. 5 civilian lives were lost indirectly due to the chaos. Post-war, the Japanese denied any aircraft involvement, further solidifying the balloon theory. Intrigued? Discover more fascinating historical events on Operation History, your hub for untold stories.